welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year 2020, and oh my god, I cannot believe how fast this year passed. For today's video, I'm gonna do makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here, which I have especially created for New Year Eve and New Year parties. In this video, I have also shared my experience and how's my 2019 was and all that stuff. So it's going to be chit chat, get ready with me for New Year or something like that video. This makeup look, guys, I have created very extra cut crease, extra glitter eye makeup. I add this nude lipstick because I have gone crazy with eye makeup. So that's why I like to keep my lips simple. If you guys like to wear a red lipstick or a dark lipstick or any lipstick you want, you can totally switch. And trust me, with any lipstick color and any outfit, this makeup will look perfect. And also, if you guys want to know how I did this makeup look, then please keep on watching. You have to watch my full video. And for the delay, guys, let's get to the tutorial now. For the moisturizer, today I'm gonna use this Himalaya Since 1930 Oil-Free Radiance Gel Cream Moisturizer. I'm going crazy with my moisturizer because it's winter. I'm going to use this Garnier Light Complete Eye Roll Anti-Puffiness Instant Freshness Eye Cream. Alright guys, now I'm gonna do my brows off camera. And I have used this Wet n Wild Ultimate Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade medium brown to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base all over my lid. To blend this concealer, I'm going to use this tiny beauty blender. And also to set that eyeshadow base, I'm going to use this e.l.f. this compact eyeliner, nothing more, that's it, just to avoid the creasing, guys. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use this as usual, this Morphe Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this transition shade with this blending brush from DU Care, and I'm going to blend this transition shade all over my this crease. However, I didn't achieve my goal this year. I found my passion and I found my path, and I found what I want to do. I knew myself more and better at this year, guys. So guys, I'm going to mix this two shade, this and this two shade. I'm going to blend this two shade right under that previous shade, you know, just however, I realized everybody has a different path, everybody has different goals. Somebody graduate at 24 or somebody graduate at 35, or you know, you have your own time, you have your own destiny, and you have your own goal. After blending that shade, that two shade, I'm going to run this previous blending brush to soften the edges. From this Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to take this Oud shade with this brush and just remove the excess. And now I'm just going to blend that shade to my outer corner. I'm going to take this my Joeva brush and picking that shade again, and I'm just going to blend that shade to my outer corner. I'm going to blend perfectly with this pencil brush, guys. So yeah, that's it. And from this previous brush, I'm going to take two previous shade and I'm going to just deepen this area. So yeah, that's it. Again, just that previous blending brush and that previous transition shade, and just final soften the edges. Now I'm going to create cut crease, guys. Now I'm going to set this concealer with a powder. So guys, from this Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to take this shade called Cashmere, and I'm going to apply that shade here. Oh my god guys, my camera's battery down guys, so I need to charge, and then I just came back and I did my one eye makeup off camera because I didn't have to do anything, so I just wait because I don't have any backup battery right now. I think we are on this place or this eye, but I mistakenly did this eye makeup. From the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to pick this red burgundy shimmer shade. I thought it would be a good idea to add some red burgundy vibes, you know, because it's a holiday season, so why not? Rest of this cut crease. So, and as you guys can see, here is the line, so this is not good, so I'm just going to blend that line. And again, that Hudabeauty Cashmere shade, I'm going to mixing that two lines together. So yeah, and now what I'm gonna do is, with this brush, I'm going to spray this side with this toner, and I'm going to pick this shade, this glitters called Cosmic from this Hudabeauty Desert Dusk palette. This cosmic shade, and I'm going to apply this glitter on top of this just to give glitter vibes. I don't know. So again, I'm going to go with my finger as well. I think this glitter will look beautiful at New Year Eve lightning, so that's why I just add that glitter shade. As you guys can see, I have done winged liner, so I'm gonna do the same. So now I'm gonna take this liner brush, I'm gonna take any black shadow, and I'm just going to make this liner more black. To make more matte and black eyeliner, and I'm going to curl my lashes. So for the lashes, I'm gonna use this Rebel Beauty Mink Rebel lashes. So for the lash glue, I'm gonna use this Hudabeauty lash glue. So now I'm gonna take this kajal, and I'm just going to line my upper waterline. So now for the primer, I'm gonna use this Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer from Maybelline New York. My nose, my T-zone completely, my T-zone, and yeah. So now I'm going to use this green color corrector from Naked Skin Urban Decay. And I'm going to blend this with this brush, and I'm going to set this with this loose powder. Today for the foundation, I'm going to use these two from Maybelline, this 24 hours super stay foundation and this matte plus poreless foundation. I am going to mix these two shade to make perfect match shade for me. So I'm going to mix these two foundation. I mix these two foundation on back of my hand, so I'm going to dot all over my face and my neck as well. Don't forget your neck as well. To blend this out, I'm going to use this Wet Beauty sponge or beauty blender. So today for the concealer guys, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade 120 Light Pale. Here on my chin, cubic bow, and just forehead and my under eye. To contour my face, I'm going to use this cream contour from Jordana. This is such a good contour that I have used, and this one I'm in the shade medium. Line, of course, and just a little bit on my forehead. So yes, first I'm going to blend my contour with this brush. Always blend your contour in like this, upward. Now it's time to blend this nose contour. For the nose contour blending, I'm going to use this. Now I'm going to blend my concealer. I'm going to start from my chin, also under eyes. To set this cream contour, I'm going to use this E.L.F. contour palette, and I'm going to take this shade. When it's all about full face glam, I always like to contour my face. You know, I love contour face. Just like this to slim out my neck. My just little tiny forehead. And last but not least, my nose with this lighter shade. This one. To shade my face, I'm going to use this Airspun loose powder. I'm not going to bake crazy, just a little bit. I'm just going to sharpen my contour. I'm going to take this shade from. I'm going to make this and this shade. I'm just going to blend. It's time to add some color to my face. I'm going to use this Essence Matte Touch Blush in the shade 60 Cherry Me Up. To keep this makeup in place like throughout the day or throughout the night. Of course, I'm going to spray some makeup setting spray. So now I'm going to use this NYX Matte Fini Matte Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. You can use any of your makeup setting spray. And also, if you guys have dry skin or if you want dewy face makeup, then you can use dewy makeup setting spray as well. Or if you have oily skin, oily girls, matte one. So for the highlighter guys, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty in the shade Hustla Baby and this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. I'm gonna mix these two to make a blinding glow. I'm going to take from here, just mixing with this. and a little bit, just a little bit here as well. And I am just going to apply here. I mean, I wanna look like glowy baby. Okay guys, now for my inner corner, I'm gonna use this one only. I applied a highlighter on my nose, tip of nose, and just here, and a cubic bow. My camera was dead, so I want to keep my lip nude. So for the lipstick guys, I'm gonna use this NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Hudabeauty. So yeah guys, and on top of this lipstick, I'm gonna use this Sappheiros in the shade 40 Pink Tea. This is small travel size lipstick. So guys, this is the final finished look. I did my side this messy bun here, and I'm kind of impressed what I did to my hair today. And sorry for the background noise guys. And I add these hoops, simple hoops. I tried many of them. So what do you guys think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and like this tutorial, love this tutorial. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section below how's your 2019 and what are your goals for 2020, and how you guys gonna celebrate New Year. At last, I just wanna say Happy New Year 2020 in advance. And guys, let's hope for the best. I hope this year will bring success, happiness for everybody. My 2019 year was not that bad. I have learned so many good things. It was good, and hoping best for 2020. As always guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well if you guys want to become part of my family. And as always, stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy guys. So bye bye, love you all, and Happy New Year 2020. Bye.